Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be changing windshield wipers, and I'll show you how it's done on the V8 version of the Tundra as well as the Toyota Sequoia. So first we're going to go ahead and remove the old ones. This is done by lifting up for the Sequoia, and then you pry apart on each side here and then lift the wiper right off of the arm. So you do have to pry on both sides while rotating that up. Now on the Tundra, and sometimes they're interchangeable for each model, you'll pinch on the bottom side here and then pull it straight open. So your Tundra or Sequoia should have one of these two versions of the windshield wiper. Now with the Rain-X one, it's a little odd the way that you have to take it out of the package and actually disassemble it. So you're going to take the base here that has the button on the front, and you're going to put your fingers in here, and you're actually going to pry both of these away from each other to separate it. So once you're prying them out like I am there on the right hand side, you're going to do that on both sides. Once it's separated, then you're going to push that little clip and cover all the way off. So that you'll slide it all the way off, and you have to keep prying it as you're doing it, so it's a little tricky. So then you're going to actually throw that little piece away. So pry on the sides to get that one off, and we're also going to take off this blue piece here. And so you're going to pry on both sides of it as well and slide it downward. So you have to lift up slightly on the black part so you can have room to slide that bottom blue piece off. So on each side, you'll slide that, and you're going to discard that now. So this is what you're left with, and we're going to take it over. And I'll show you again here for the Sequoia and probably the earlier Tundras. Once again, you're going to pry this on each side outward as you rotate the wiper, 180 degrees or so. And then that's how you're going to get that old wiper off. Now you're going to take it and you're going to pinch at the very bottom on these two prongs and slide them into your windshield wiper arm. And then the top part is actually going to go over. So these two pinch together and feed into the wiper arm, then lift up on that tab so it goes over the top, and then you're going to push it till it clicks. There you go. So make sure you've removed that yellow plastic covering that covers the rubber. Slide that off. It's better to do it at this step, so that's why I edited it in here. Then repeat on the other side and go in the vehicle and make sure everything works. Make sure everything clicked in properly. Okay, so now we'll test. Looks good. Just make sure that they're on fully and not going to come off. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I have playlists for other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.